Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can contact MoneyGram support. So this is really quick and easy, and before starting, you have to make sure that your account details and transaction reference are ready, and this will help you to get faster assistance with your MoneyGram issues. So first, you will go to your MoneyGram website and then you will search for contact us, or if it's not visible here, you could also just check for support section, which is right here, or help. So just go ahead and click that and then click support. And what you will have to do is you will scroll down a little until you see the problem that you are facing. So, or you could also just, click contact us right here. And what you will do is you will just have to choose what they can help you with. So if you want to complain something, then click compliant. And then if you are facing a technical issue, then just click that, or report fraud if there's some kind of fraud that you're facing, or if you would just want to ask them a question or you have a feedback. So yeah, basically that's how you do it. And now what you will have to do is fill out all these stuffs. So for your contact information, you will make sure that your information matches your government issued ID, so that you will be able to avoid the potential delays. So your first name, last name, and your mobile number or email. And after that, for the additional information, you will select the service type, the specific service type that you want. For example, about the money transfer, and then you will of course fill out all these stuffs. And yeah, that's basically it. And for the title, you will just have to describe your issue clearly and submit your request. And then you will just have to again click this button right here if you're satisfied and done. And then you will just have to wait for a response from Google, from MoneyGram support. And by the way, response times may vary, and it would usually take within 24 to 48 hours, so just be patient. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.